Welcome to our channel Smart Math. So today I'm solving this Math Olympic problem in a very unique way. Let's find out their solution. Our equation is square root of 16 minus x square plus square root of 9 minus x square is equals to 5. So our equation is 16 minus x square root plus square root of 9 minus x square, that is equals to 5. So as this term is positive, goes equal opposite side mean negative. So equation will be 16 minus x square root, that is equals to 5 minus square root of 9 minus x square. So if I am taking both sides by squaring, so this is the a and minus b, this is a minus b whole square formula. So I wrote a minus b whole square formula, that is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this time, so as above, square root and square cancelled out, the equation will be 16 minus x square, that is equals to a is 5 square minus 2 into 5 into 9 minus x square plus 9 minus x square, square root and square cancelled out. So equation will be 16 minus x square, that is equals to 5 into 5 is 25 minus 5 10 square root of 9 minus x square, square root square minus, and we have 9 minus x square. So as we saw, our equation is 16 minus x square here, and we have I am added 25 plus 9, with this will be 34, and this term is minus x square minus 10 square root of 9 minus x square. So as I wrote, this term here goes opposite side, mean this is positive goes negative, and this term negative mean positive. So equation is 16 minus x square minus 34 minus plus x square, that is equals to minus 10 square root of 9 minus x square. Positive and negative cancelled out on. So equation is, if I am subtract minus, so minus minus, but the big value have minus term, so minus here, and 16 minus 34 give me 18 equals to minus 10, that is 9 minus x square. So if I'm wrote minus 2 into 9, and I'm wrote minus 2 into 10, which is minus 2 into 5, which is equals to minus 10 square root of minus 2. So I am taking both sides divided by minus 2 here, minus numerator denominator same cancelled out, numerator and denominator same cancelled out. So equation is 9 is equals to 5 square root of 9 minus x square. So I'm divided again both side by 5, 5 and 5 cancelled out. So equation is 9 divided by 5, that is equals to 9 minus x square, square root, both side again squaring again, so square root and square cancelled out. So equation is 9 square divided by 5 square, that is equals to 9 minus x square. So 9 square is 81 and 25 5 square is 25, that is equals to 9 minus x square. So this term is going here, opposite side mean negative positive, x square plus 81 divided by 25, that is equals to 9. This time positive goes opposite side negative, so x square is equals to 9 minus 81 divided by 25. So I am taking an LCM. X square is equals to Taking LCM, 25 minus 81. Ones are 25. 25, 9 multiplied 25 is 225. 225, where x is equals to 144 divided by 25. Taking square root, squaring square cancelled out, or x is equals to square root of 144 and square root 25. So equation answer is square root of 144 is 12 and square root of 25 is 5. So our answer is, let's find out, let's verify whether this is a possible solution or not. So now I input the value of x, which is 12 by 5. 16 minus 12 by 5 whole square, square root, plus 9 minus 12 divided by 5 whole square, square root, that is equals to 5. 16 minus 12 is 144 divided by 25 square root, plus 9 minus 144 divided by 25 square root is equals to 5. I am taking an LCM. 25, which is 16 is minus 144, 400 square root, plus 9 is 225 minus 144, whether taking 25 LCM, which is equals to 5. So 400 minus 1, so which is equals to 256 divided by 25 square root, plus which is 181, that is equals to 81. 25 divided by square root, that is equal to 5. So this is equal to 16 square divided by 16 square divided by 5 square, plus 9 square divided by 5 square. Square and square root cancel, square root cancel, square root cancel, square root cancel, which is equals to 5. So our result is 16 plus 9 divided by 5, that is equals to 5. So 16 plus 25 divided by 5, which is equals to 5. 5 into 5s are. So this defined that our desired answer of the solution is correct. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.